What's up people, Varun here. So today we have another unboxing for you. This is a smart dash camera for your car by 70mi. It's a subsidiary of Xiaomi. So let's unbox this and try it out. Alright, so in the box we are greeted with the camera itself with function buttons below the screen. The camera has 140-degree field of view and can shoot videos in 1944p. The camera is equipped with SONY IMX335 sensor, which takes amazing low light shots, which you saw at the start of the video. Next in the box is crowbar. Then there is 5 volts 2 amps car charger, 3.5 meter micro USB cable, 1 bracket, 2 electrostatic stickers and an instruction guide. Overall, the footprint of the camera is pretty small. You won't even notice it in your car. It also comes with additional ADAS, which is Advanced Driver Assistance System, or a GPS module, which will cost you extra. I am really impressed how well it shoots the video, be it night or day. It also has additional features such as 24-hour parking monitor, G sensor, which will automatically detect a collision and record the footage. It does not come with a memory card and you need to purchase it separately. The 70mi app is handy, through which you can update the firmware and watch live feeds, etc. Final thoughts. This is the best bang for the buck dashcam for your car. For less than 5k, you cannot ask for a better dashcam. The videos it takes is seriously on par with the GoPro Hero 5. The feature set is huge and is very easy to set up. I would recommend this camera for everyone who is on a lookout for a smart budget dashcam for their cars. Alright, so this is it for now. Hope you like this short review of 70mi Dashcam Pro. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.